Cei Connah. Cyfle i bentyrru'r pwysau ar y pencampwyr heddiw yma. Andy Owens yn gry ar bas yn rhyddhau Wignall. Di Wignall ddim yn cam sefyll! A mi oedd hi'n gyfle gwirioneddol i godi'r bêl dros Idzi. Ydych chi'n disgwyl gwell gan Ryan Wignall. Idzi ar gic. Oedd na wthiad ar sbitl yma gan Bowen. Y chwarae mynd yn ei flaen. Liam Thomas ar ergyd. Syth y gas John Rushton. Rushton yn y gol yn lle Danby heddiw yn gwneud ei waith yn daclus. Terrell Webb dros y gic rhydd yn anelu tuag at Liam Thomas sy'n gry ar bêl yn syrthio at Luke Bowen sy'n taro'r postyn am gyfle i'r hen air. Liam Thomas yn gry yn ennill y paniad a mi ddyle Caerfyrddin fod ar y blaen. Cic rhydd uniongyrchol yn hir gan Cei Connah. Idzi di gollwng hi. James Owen! Hyfryd! Hyfryd gan James Owen ar y cynnig cynta. Gyda tu fewn i droed. Idzi ar camgymeriad. Mae hwnna'n berffaith gan Owen. Cic rhydd dechrau mynd yn sydyn gan y tîm cartre. Hughes yn codi ben. Y bas ar y droed dde. Tuag at Andy Owens ar y foli. Mae mi fydda honna di fod yn dipyn o gol gan y cawr Andy Owens. Y bas di mesur yn berffaith ar foli'n felys hefyd. Morgan ar peniad. Ar flic ymlaen hefyd yn cael ei ennill gan Caerfyrddin. Luke Bowen sydd yno. Yr ergyd yn sal. A mae'n syrthio tuag at Miles Davies. Harrison sydd ar draws. Davies yn torri fewn. Chydig o le i groesi. Rushton. O, mae'r bêl yn syrthu. Liam Thomas yn ei chladdu hi gefn y rhwyd. A mae'r hen air yn gyfarsel. 10 funud i fewn i'r ail hanner. 4edd gol y tymor i brif sgoriwr Caerfyrddin. Yr arwydd gan Wolf. 10 munud sy'n weddill. Y bêl yn rhydd yn y cwrt. Andy Owens sy'n ei gosod hi gefn y rhwyd. A mae Cei Connah ar y blaen. O, mi o'na 8 o grysau air yn y cwrs bach, ond talcen Andy Owens gyrraeddodd y bêl gynta. Owen yn gyrru Wignall lawr yr asgell. Vincent ar draws i glirio. Cyffyrddiad yn llac gan Webb. Y bêl yn sythio'r ymyl y cwrt at Rob Hughes. Hughes yn torri ar y droed chwith. A'r arbediad yn acrobataidd gan Lee Idzi. Rob Hughes di bod yn fywiog heddiw yma yng nghanol y cae Cei Connah. Vincent yn ei chodi tuag at y cwrt, ond Disney'n gry. Peniad da gan Disney, a cyffyrddiad hyfryd hefyd gan Bacare. A Hughes i lwybr Ryan Wignall. Ryan Wignall i'w selio hi. Heibio Idzi i gefn y rhwyd, a dyna'r drydedd i Cei Connah. A maen nhw'n mynd i frig tabl uwch Gynghrair Cymru heno yma. Ond sut fydd y seintiau'n ymateb yn y brif ddinas yn erbyn Met Caerdydd.
We believe that's probably one of the best 3 points we've had this season to date. It was always going to be a tough game. You know, Carmarthen coming up from where they are and the result that they got previously in the season, and what we were going to be up against, a challenge, and how good they are technically, tactically. You know, Neil's got a very good unit there. We knew the challenge today, personal problems that we've got. You know, we've got George Horan injured, Michael Parker injured, John Danby injured, Danny Holmes suspended. We've had a bad case of illness this week. You've had Andy Owens playing with the flu. Declan Poole got through half, had to play. You know, these are key people for me, and I think with any team to lose that many and still come away with a 3-1 win against Carmarthen shows how good it is. So for us, it's a massive 3 points.
You come up to Connah, you know what you're going to get. They're an excellent team who bring lots of different qualities to the game. So disappointed in the end, especially with the 3-1 result.
And of course, for one night, you're top of the league, and you've got to be happy with that as well.
Yeah, you're always happy. I don't think it'll mean a lot. You know, I think you'd be a safe bet. TNS will change back again, but this time tomorrow after the Cardiff Met game. But you know, we just progress as a club. We immediately move on to Airbus in the World Cup Tuesday, and move on to Cardiff Met the following Sunday. So as long as we can continue winning our games, performing, raising our standards, you know, that's our focus, that's our remit, and that's what we'll continue to do.
Well, I'm worried about our form at the moment in general. So whether that's home or away. you know, I do think that we've had a tough start, but yeah, it's something that we are looking to address. We'll keep working hard in training, and hopefully that our first away win isn't too far around the corner.